Hello everyone, welcome back to another Two Spanners episode on the Corsa. We're going to be fitting an Airtec Intercooler today. It's not going to give me any performance announcements, but hey, it looks nice. I've spent enough money on the car anyway, so why not fit something brand new? I'm not going to film most of it because I think most of you know how to remove your old intercooler now, so I'm going to whip that off quickly, and then once that's all off, we'll show you my new Airtec intercooler. I ordered it in black, no Airtec stencil on it, and also black silicone tubes because apparently the white ones were discolouring due to the heat in the engine bay. So I'm going to have to order a couple of white hoses maybe for it, just off another company to see how they go, as I want my engine bay in white to dress up. So just quickly, just in case you don't know how to remove your intercooler, there's a 7mm here you need to undo. There's a bracket just down here, and then you need to lift your clip up here, and then I think there's a bracket around the side to undo. Then there's a 7mm just down here, just below your turbo. There is a clip here, and then there's a bracket on the side you need to undo as well to get the tubing off. Then obviously with your intercooler, there's normally two little 8mm either side, so you just undo them, pull that forward and wiggle it out. I may have to remove this or modify it to get the new intercooler to fit, but we'll worry about that when we get there. So I'm going to quickly whip this off and then we'll be back. Right, I did have to drill that plastic support beam off, unfortunately. It's 2 13s, and then you'll need a drill and a drill bit. I also forgot to mention there is a plug on the side, so just make sure you unplug that before you start, you know, ripping your pipe work out. But anyway, that's off. So onto the box. As you can see, I haven't unraveled it all yet. So, as I said, I've got black silicone tubes. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see this install, but I'll try and stop and start wherever I can. But hopefully this goes all swimmingly. Obviously black tubes, so I went for the all black. Obviously your sensor will go in there. Also get all your clips and brackets. 1 second. So you get a little pack of accessories to bolt it down with, all new clamps, which helps. And then my Airtec intercooler, which I need to go get a blade for to unravel. So I'm going to get on fitting this, and I will try and stop and start where I can. I don't know why I'm talking off camera. I will try and stop and start where I can, show you where I've got to, what I've done and how I've made it all fit. So we'll see you in a second. I'm just going to cut this open and we'll crack on. So the Airtec intercooler comes with two little locators, which obviously drop into here. And you drill through here, and they give you nuts and bolts to put all the way through, but I'm going to hopefully put some captive nuts in there instead, just to neaten it up a little bit. So need to be a bit bigger. So I'm just using this, I've screwed it on. So they're installed. They're just little M6 captive nuts. Right, time for the intercooler. So that's the first bit done. I don't think you're going to see much of me doing the pipe work. I think it's just going to be a bit difficult, especially without a cameraman here who's working today. But we'll try and film this little bit and time lapse it. Right, the intercooler's all fitted. Just another thing ticked off the list to get complete. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. I know it's not fantastic. It's a bit hard to film on your own to show you how it all installs. So we'll give a quick little rundown and then we'll end the video there. Hopefully this helps anyone that's stuck on their drive, like just wondering what pipes go where, etc. So I have fitted the intercooler slightly different by putting captive nuts in, but it actually comes with nuts, bolts and washers, so you can just drill straight through, nut and bolt it up, all in place. I've had to order the black pipes, like I said, just due to they don't do the white ones anymore. It's a bit hard to see everything everywhere. But this pipe here is getting changed to white. I'm going to order that online at some point, along with the radiator hoses, etc. But if we stand back, I think it looks a little different. I am going to fit the support bracket along the bottom. Now, it needs a little modifying to be fitted, but I want it back on just because it helps the bumper from flexing while you're driving along. So I'm going to sort that out. I'll show you how to sort that out if you want to fit yours back on. All you need to do is grind grind this bit off here so it's nice and flat, and then it'll miss the intercooler tube and you'll be able to just put your two bolts back in at the top. You won't be able to put the rivet in at the bottom, but you can always put a nut and bolt through it, just hold it in place. Also, I am thinking of maybe getting a 2-spanner stencil made up for here, and we'll paint this on there nice and white. I don't know if it's going to make a difference to the performance but hey, it'll look nice through the grill, I suppose, if we continue the 2-spanners theme all the way around in it. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I know it's not fantastic, it's been a little bit hard to film. There's not really a lot of showing how to fit it. Hopefully the explaining part has helped you if you're stuck on your drive or whatever, but it's just another thing ticked off the list. So take care, don't forget to like, sub, all that lovely great stuff, that helps. Please do comment, that helps us get up in the algorithm too. Take care, we'll see you in the next one.